81% humidity outside, pouring rain, and 54 degrees. We're constantly asked for an Overwatch rifle that solves different needs for all different departments. We believe we've come up with a solution for everyone.
Recoil was the biggest thing that I noticed, and when shooting that, it just does not move. Best part about shooting that today was in the pouring rain. It changes the game a little bit.
Psyonix rifles are manufactured to perform in the harshest climate conditions. Whether you're working in Alaska, in New York, Oklahoma, they have to work. And at any point, there could be wind, rain, snow. There's no excuse for failure. Our guns have to work.